Even an entry-level smartphone like the Samsung Galaxy A10 should be able to run properly and smoothly. However, some owners reported that their devices already have poor performance after updating the firmware. Performance issues are, of course, firmware-related issues. Those who've encountered such problem can attest how frustrating it is to have a very sluggish device. That's why it's best to troubleshoot your phone immediately when you notice that the performance deteriorated. Hi, this is Felix from thecellguide.com, and in this video, I will teach you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A10 with poor performance. First solution: force restart your phone. At this point, we don't know the reason why your phone is not working or not as responsive as it should be. But the thing is, a minor firmware issue or even a glitch can also cause this kind of problem. Therefore, the first thing you have to do is refresh your phone's memory and reload all its apps and services. You can achieve that by doing the forced restart or simulated battery removal. Here's how you do that. Just press and hold the volume down and power keys at the same time for 15 seconds or more, until the Galaxy A10 logo appears. Once the phone has finished restarting, observe closely to know if the poor performance is fixed. If it's still sluggish or not working the way it should, move on to the next solution. Second solution: reset all the settings. If you are like me who likes to tinker some settings to make the phone work the way we want, then you may have changed settings that cause this problem, especially if you've enabled the developer options in your Galaxy A10. It is difficult to determine which setting was changed, so the best thing you can do about it is to reset all settings at once. This will bring all settings in your phone back to default. If it's just a matter of incorrect and inappropriate settings, then this should fix the problem. Here's how. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Reset Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Reset. Once the phone has finished the reset, try to see if it still has a poor performance. If it still does, then move on to the next solution and troubleshoot the firmware instead. Third solution: factory reset your phone. A master reset is needed now that all other procedures failed to fix the problem. Before the reset, make sure to create a copy of your important files and data, as they will be deleted. You may move them over to your SD card, computer, or just upload them to the cloud. After the backup, remove your Google and Samsung accounts so that you won't be locked out after the reset. Once everything is in order, follow these steps to reset your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Delete All. That's it. I hope that we've been able to help you fix your Samsung Galaxy A10 that has a poor performance. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Cell Guide. Thanks for watching.